In this session, we will discuss about how to start one screen from other screen, or how to start one activity from other activity. Answer is very simple. That is by using intent class and start activity method. Intent is a predefined class of Android software written by Google developers. Similarly, start activity is also a predefined method of Android software. Now let me explain more about this. Intent is a predefined class of Android software which has many use cases. One such kind of use case is by using intent class you can start other screens or other activities. Let me write same thing here. Now let me explain this by taking a pictorial representation. Let us say my application contains two screens like this. We know that each screen will contain one Java file. First screen's Java file is main-activity.java and second one is second-activity.java. Let us say first screen contains a text view which says welcome to first screen, and there is a button where when user clicks on this button I wanted to open second screen. And let us say second screen contains a text view which prints welcome to second screen. Now let us see how to write this button click listener so that when user clicks button on the main activity we wanted to open second activity. Let us say this is on click method of this button. Now when user clicks on this button, definitely this method will be entered. Now I will show you the logic to open second screen. Here we have to follow two-step process. First step is prepare intent for second activity because we have to open second screen, and use start activity method. It will look like this. Intent in equal to, just like how you declare integer variable int I, similarly intent in equal to, we will create object for intent class, new intent. This intent class constructor will take two parameters. First parameter is this. Second parameter is you have to supply dot class file of your target screen. Our target screen Java file name is second-activity.java. Once we give this Java file to compiler, we know that compiler generates second-activity.class. So as a second parameter for intent, you have to supply second-activity.class. That is the syntax. We have to follow that. Second-activity.class and semicolon. That is the first step. This first step says that we want to start second activity. This says that from current screen. Second step is use start activity method, which looks like this. Start activity. Observe carefully. S small letter, A capital letter. There is no space in between. Open parenthesis. This method takes one parameter, that is your intent object. Just supply in here. That's it. Now when user clicks this button on the first screen, automatically system will enter into on click method where you are preparing intent. You are saying I want to start second activity and you are supplying that intent object to start activity method. So with this system will automatically open second screen. You may be getting one doubt here, that is why to supply dot class. Reason is very simple. System cannot understand dot Java files. It is only for human readability purpose. Once programmer writes Java file, that Java file will be internally converted to dot class file. System will understand only dot class file. As of now, blindly remember, if you want to start another activity, you have to prepare intent by supplying this comma target component name which you want to start. Target component is second activity dot class. Now let us say we have one more application which contains 3 screens, a.java file, b.java and c.java for 3 screens correspondingly. Now imagine that when user clicks button on a.java, I want to open second screen. Similarly, once a second screen is opened, when user clicks on start third, I want to open third screen. Tell me, how does on-click methods will look like for these two buttons? For first screen, button click will look like this. Intent in equal to new space intent this comma. What is the target component? From this screen, I want to start second screen. Second screen dot class file is b dot class and then use start activity method. Start activity and pass intent object. Similarly, second screen's button click listener will look like this. Intent in equal to new intent of this comma. You want to start which screen? Third screen. What is the Java file name of third screen? C.java. So when you compile, it will generate C.class file. So you have to supply C.class and then say start activity and pass intent object. Don't worry that this variable name and this variable name is same. In fact, they are in two different classes. You don't have to worry about this. Here this says that you are starting screen B from current screen. Similarly, here this says that you are starting screen C from current screen. But also remember, in button click listeners, this won't work. This will give error. If you remember toast messages, when you are using a toast message in button click listeners, this was giving error. So in place of this, what you have to give? You have to supply your class name dot this. So while writing in the studio, in place of this, I will be writing a dot this, and in place of this, I will be writing b dot this. I hope you understood how to use intent to start other screens. I hope you understood how to use intents to start other screens. In the next session, we will be seeing same code in studio.